2025 Birdwatch Online, the Autumn Festival of Qieding Wetland. As the National Day drums echo in the distance, Qieding Wetland begins its own celebration. Reeds sway with the wind, and migratory birds return from afar. The curtain rises on autumn's grand festival. Over the golden wetland, two purple herons make their graceful entrance. Their long necks and plumage shimmer in hues of violet and bronze, catching the morning sun. Each wingbeat begins the overture of this living celebration. Following September's buzzard fever, October has turned into a true aerial arena for the Eastern Marsh-Harrier. High above the wetland, an aerial duel unfolds. Two Eastern Marsh-Harriers twist, dive, and rise again. Sky warriors locked in graceful combat. Their wings clash in the wind like drums of battle. This is nature's arena, a spectacle of power and precision. On the water, red-necked ducks and teals join the celebration. They glide in pairs, rippling the quiet surface. Each droplet sparkles in the winter light, a soft rhythm in nature's grand symphony. At the same time, over 100 black-faced spoonbills have arrived in formation. Their white feathers gleam beneath the sun, like a National Day parade, a majestic finale to the Wetlands Autumn Festival. As the temperature drops, a new chapter begins at Qieding Wetland. More migratory birds are on their way, ready to join the winter stage. The show has only just begun. Stay tuned to Birdsong Online for the latest wetland updates and feathered news.